of a 2007 Honda Accord where the one of the lug studs or wheel studs has been cross-threaded. And so now we have the wheel off. Next we'll have to remove the brake drum. See, that is the stud that is cross-threaded. It is out. Bingo. To fit the new stud in. This is it's going to be tight, but it'll go. Now it appears it's the wrong size, so it slips right in, but there's actually another maybe 3/8 so to go. You can kind of see that one sticks out. That's the new one that's not pressed in yet, and that's one of the existing ones that's all the way behind this boss. It's part of the hub assembly. Alright, so now we need to press the new stud in. It's a spline press fit. And normally in the shop they take this whole assembly off and use a press to do that, but we're going to put some washers on here, lubricate the stud threads so things slide real nice, and then use one of the lug nuts to pull it in. So I'm using a breaker bar through the other lug nuts. And it's now flush. I've pressed the new stud in and moved the lug nuts used to do that. Put on the
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. If you have questions or feedback, please leave a comment.